Hi everyone, I'm Swapna from Bangalore. A part of this session webinar from Juma ma'am is wonderful. From ACT, which I have learned pin to pin points which on the topic of social and emotional learning, and pin to pin point what is that, which are the decision makings and responsible relationships, which everything the I have learned one new thing here today. So the way you express and the way you explanation each and every topic, which are easy and understandable for me. So it's a very useful webinar for me and each and everyone, not only the teachers, every human has to know these topics in my point of view. So thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.